How to fix people option missing on Messenger. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps to fix this issue and get your People tab back on Messenger. Let's get started. First up, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. The People option could be missing because you're running an older version of the app. Head over to the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Check for any available updates and download the latest version of Messenger. This could instantly fix the problem. If you're on Android, you can also try clearing the cache. Sometimes old data in your app cache can mess with how the app functions. Simply go to Settings, navigate to Apps, find Messenger, tap on Storage, and then hit Clear Cache. Once you've done this, restart Messenger and check if the People tab is back. If updating the app and clearing the cache don't work, try reinstalling Messenger. Uninstall the app from your device, then head back to the App Store or Google Play Store to download it again. This fresh install can resolve any bugs or glitches causing the People tab to disappear. Lastly, make sure to check your internet connection. It sounds simple, but sometimes a poor internet connection can cause features to go missing or not load properly in Messenger. If none of the above steps work, you can always reach out to Messenger support. Head to the Help section of the app by going to Settings, Help, and report the issue. They can provide you with guidance or updates if it's a known bug. So there you have it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.